Okay, now let us start. See, today I will start the question number. Start with question number 15. If is there any homework, then I will write here. Okay. So now, question number 15. Shivani, can you read the question number 15 for me? Good. Hmm. So there is 1,225 plants are to be planted in a garden such that each row as the plant as the number of row means if it is 10 rows, then there is 10 rows plant in a each garden. So each row contain as many plant as the number of row, means that number of rows is equal to number of plant in each row. Yes, this is clear. Everyone start writing. Write down the date, chapter name, and continue the chapter number. Sorry, exercise 3D. According to the question number 15, uh, the number of rows is equal to the number of plant in each row. Find the number of row and the number of plant in each row. Okay. Then then we have to let number of rows be x. Therefore, the number of plant in each row is also x, and number of plant in each row be x only, because the number of row is equal to the number of plant in each row. So the number of row is x, and this is x. Now there is 100 and total plants is equal to 1225, and we know that there is a n rows. So number of row multiplied by number of plant in each row is equal to 1225, means x square is equal to 1225 and x is equal to under root 1225. Clear? Good. So can you please tell me what is the root of, and everyone show the working in the rough. You can prime factorize in rough 122, and everyone do the prime factorization by their own, and the answer is x is equal to 35, means number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row, number of plants in each row is equal to 35. Now it is clear? Clear? Any doubt? You can ask. Okay. So the number of rows is equal to, ये क्वेश्चन इसी तरह से होता है, and you have to write down this always, not now, after, whenever the test or exam is there, exam will be there, then you can write. PT6, I think after the vacation, after Durga Puja. Yes, 29, 30. 30 or 30, 29, 30, I think 2 days. Now clear? I don't know about that, but why you worry? After Durga Puja, you can prepare yourself. Or before Durga Puja, I will give you the syllabus for the PT. So now the question number 15 is clear. Good. Uh, Wait, I can drop it. Now read the question number 16. Salon, anyone next? Shraddha. Yes, question. Read the question. Mhm. Hmm. Same question. So I think now you can do the 16 as homework. Now we can start 17th question. And और ये क्या कहते हैं, सभी स्टूडेंट को जो भी क्लास कर रहे हैं उनको होमवर्क के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. और इफ एनीवन आस्क अबाउट द होमवर्क तो प्लीज बता देना है, क्योंकि मुझे ध्यान नहीं रहता कि विच क्वेश्चन, मैंने बिना बुक देखे मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दिया है. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. आई थिंक तो ये कौन पढ़ेगा? श्रद्धा, कैन यू रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 अगेन? 17 17. I think na this I think question number 17 I solved in the video. So I think better I solve question number 18. And question number 18 is same is question 16, 17 and 18 is same. So question number 17 is your homework. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the following: 8, 12, 8, 12, 15 and 20. So we have to find a least square number that is divisible by 8, 12, 8, 12, 15 and 20. So first we take out the LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. Oh, wait. अच्छा तुमने बता दिया. हम्म मैंने कर दिया, सबको कम इन कर दिया. अब जो आज के बाद जो लेट आएगा क्लास में वो लोग अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद लेगा. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट दोज जो लेट आते हैं. Now the board is visible. Hmm. Okay. Now first we find out the LCM of 8, 12, 15 and 20. 8, 12, 15, 20. So we can do with 2. I think 2 is better. 4, 6, 15 and 10. Do again by 2. It's 2, 3, 15 and 5. Then do with 2. It's 1, 3, 15 and 5. Then do with 3. It will be 1, 5, 5. Then with 5. Now you see LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So here only the first 2 is in the pair. Find the least square number which must be which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So now find out the LCM. Calculate it fast. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. 10 twos are 20. 20 twos are 40. 40 threes are 120. So 120. If we make a 120 perfect square, we have to multiply 120 with 5 twos are 10, 3 30. 120 को perfect square. Now the LCM is equal to 120. LCM is equal to 120, but we need a least square number. Least square number is equal to 120 multiplied by, this is the unpaired. जो भी unpaired है उसे multiply कर देते हैं उसको. 2 threes are 6 and 6 fives are 30. If we multiply with 30, 12 threes are 36. Now it become a perfect square, least square number that is divisible by 8, 12, 15 and 20. 3600 is the least square number which is divisible by 8, 12, 15 and 20. Clear? Now it is clear. Any doubt? कोई doubt है? Good. So ठीक है. So now see, yes. Now the question number 18 is clear, but I will explain it one more time, little fast. So the question number 18, we have to find a least square number which is exactly divisible by 8, 12, 15 and 20. So first we find out the LCM of this 8, 12, 15 and 20. Our LCM is 120, 120, and we see there is only one pair. These numbers are not in pair. So the LCM is equal to 120, or the least square number which is required, that is 120 times 30, which is equal to 3600. ये 30 कहाँ से आया? वो यहाँ से आया. ये LCM का जो रेस्ट है उससे मल्टीप्लाई करके, जिसका पेयर नहीं बना. This is 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 3s are 6 and 5s are 30. And then it will be 3600. Now the 36 is the least square number which is divisible by, which is divisible by 8, 12, 15 and 20 exactly. Clear? Now let us start finding square root by division method, and this is also called long division method. So everyone, right? This is not from the example. Any question? This is in the 17950. 56, sorry. We have to find the square root of 17956. So everyone must make a shape like this, L, ulta L, okay, and then write their number like this, 956. First important thing in this method is you have to put a bar from the right to left in a pair. See, always this bar, this is the bar. Basically we make a pair of number to find out the square root by division method. So this bar must be from the right to left. Clear? Now this is the first thing you have to remember with remember every time while using this method. You have to put a bar over the number, and the it must be double, double and the last. If there is one single number, so this is the only pair for this last pair. So now we can divide it by squaring number, like 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 3 threes are, sorry, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, like this. So this is the single number 1. So we can use 1 ones are 1. So it will be cross out, and then same number must be added here. Is it visible or not? This is visible to all. 1 ones are 1, we can use 1 squaring number here. 1 ones are 1, then cancel it and then write the same unit number. अभी इसके आगे चलेंगे तो पता चल जाएगा. You just add 1, it become 2. Now you have to find a number here, and यहाँ पर तुम्हारा दो नंबर at a time नीचे आएगा, that is in a group. 79 come down. Now we have to find a number 3. Okay, 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. Clear? Now this is 0, this is 1, and now 56. The paired number come together, and now we have to add the unit digit here. 3 3. It will be 26. बोलना नहीं है please. Please बोलना नहीं है. अभी यहाँ पर एक तरीका सिखा रहा हूँ, शायद वो तुम्हारे लिए हेल्पफुल होगा कैलकुलेशन के लिए, बिकॉज वी नो दैट दिस इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, और नहीं भी होगा तो भी द यूनिट डिजिट इज 6. तो श्रद्धा बताओगे मुझे कि कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पे यूनिट डिजिट पे 6 आता है? सो हम सिर्फ दो ही नंबर से चेक करेंगे. वी हैव टू चेक विथ 4 times 4 लाइक दिस, एंड यही दो नंबर से चेक करेंगे, दूसरे नंबर से नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज पहले फर्स्ट वी चेक विथ टू नंबर्स दिस, बिकॉज आर यूनिट डिजिट इज 6, सो वी कैन चेक विथ 4 और 6. ओके, सो अब पहले 4 है तो 4 को ही करेंगे. 4 4 16, 1 कैरी, 24 25, 2 कैरी, 5 2 8 to 10, सो इट 1056. तो ये हमारा 4 में ही हो गया. सो वी हैव टू राइट 4 हियर एंड here, and this is, so under root of 17956 is equal to 134. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? कहीं पे कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछ सकता है. इसके अंदर दो तीन चीजें जिनका याद ध्यान रखना है. वन, while making this and writing the number, after writing this number you have to make a pair from the right to left, and the second thing, you have to add the same unit digit number with the unit digit, you have to add the unit digit number twice. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 3 is 6. ऐसे ऐड करना है. दिस इज द मेन थिंग. अब इसके बाद कोई ऐसा नंबर लेते हैं जिसमें 0 आ जाए. वैसे तो हाँ ठीक है, एक और नंबर लेते हैं और उसके बाद फिर ये क्वेश्चंस तुम्हें करने हैं खुद ही. Okay, now we take out the root of 66049. Then you have to make like this again and write the number 6049, and first bar is very compulsory from the right to left. Now it is 6. So we know that ki 6 जो है twice, 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So it will be 2 2s are 4. Yes, 2 plus 2 here, then it will be 4. Now the next number is 60. नहीं आया, जीरो नहीं आया, मुझे जीरो चाहिए था. ओके, अब ये कर लिया तो ये कर देंगे. सो नाउ वी हैव टू यूज हियर. सो यहाँ पर जब ये सेकंड पोर्शन में होगा तो यूनिट डिजिट को नहीं, 10 डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना है. सो वी नो दैट. चेक 4 का टेबल चेक करो. 4 4 5 जा 20, 4 6 जा 24, 4 6 जा 24. तो हम एक बार इसको पहले 6 से चेक करेंगे. 6 6 जा 36, 3 24 प्लस 3 27. ये ज्यादा हो गया, so it means that here is 5. 45 5 is 45 5 are. Now Shivani, tell me. My voice is. Now tell me which number we can multiply. मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही बताया कि हमें इसमें दो नंबर से चेक करना है. 7 and no wait ना. 7 and 3. 50. First the number is 3, so you can multiply it by this. So मुझे लग रहा है 3 5 is what 15. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा क्योंकि हमारा नंबर 35 है. एंड 7 5 35. तो बेटर है कि हम वी कैन यूज दिस. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जितना टाइम सेव करोगे कैलकुलेशन के लिए इट विल बी इजी. 3 5 15 चेक कर लिया तो इसका मतलब है कि इसे मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई 7. नाउ दिस इज 3 5 4 9. कैंसिल. So the under root of 66049 is equal to 257. Answer. Clear? Any doubt? Good. Copied? Now, one more we can find out. 10609. We have to find the root of 10609. Again we have to draw like this, then 106 and 09. Make a pair from the right to left. Now here is 1. So we start with 1 1 1 1 1. It's cancel, it's 1. Now it become 2. Now take out the number, two numbers, 0 6. Now see, if we use 1 here, it must be 21. 1 is 21. 21 is greater than 0 6. So we can use 0 in place of 1. It is clear or not? Is this clear or not? If the number is less than, then we can use 0, same like in division. And the unit digit is 9 and 100 digit is 6. So we can multiply with 3. Under root of 10609 is equal to 103. Now this is clear. Good. Copied. Now the question number 1 to question number 12 from exercise 3E. This is in homework. This question number 1 to question number 12 all are prime factorization by division method. So you can practice by your own. Or koi question, if there is a problem, you can ask. Now we will start with question number 13. The next question is question number 13. कौन Riya, can you read the question number 13? But I think this question I discussed in the video. अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make a perfect square number. Means 2509, we know that the 2509 is not a perfect square number. So we have to find the least number which must be subtracted from this, to make it a perfect square number. So first we have to find the square root of this number with the help of division method, long division. So first we mark a bar over it. This is 5 5s are 25. This first digit is cancelled here. Now 09, we add 5, it will be 10. So यहाँ पर 10 है और यहाँ पर 09 है, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? छोड़ देना चाहिए? नहीं. Yes, we can. Why we use 0 here? किसने बोला? नाम तो नाम बताओ पहले, उसके बाद ना, पहले नाम तो बताओ अपना. वेट अ मोमेंट, नाम तो बताओ. अरे नाम तो बोल दो और उसके बाद बताओ ना क्या नाम है. चल, क्या हो गया उसको पता नहीं. चलो क्या बता रही थी? कौन कौन बता रहा था कि ये क्यों हम इसको 0 से करेंगे? यस बताओ क्यों. नहीं, लेकिन हमारे पास आगे नंबर ही थोड़ी है, हमारे पास तो कोई नंबर ही नहीं आगे, तो हम इसको यहीं क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते? छोड़ देना चाहिए. बट देयर इज अ डिवीजन फैक्ट. एक हमारा डिवीजन फैक्ट होता है. ये डिवीजन फैक्ट है. जैसे जब हम 21 डिवाइड बाई 2 करते हैं, तो यू कैन सी 21, so 2 ones are 2 and this is completely, first number is completely subtracted and it becomes 0. Then we use 10. ये एक हमारा डिवीजन, दिस इज अ डिवीजन फैक्ट. ओके, सो यू 21 डिवाइड बाय 2. सो फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड 2 ones are 2, then it will be. So if the first number is completely divisible, so for the next we can use 0. Clear, Shraddha? This is a division fact. 21 को 2 से कभी डिवाइड करके चेक करना. So the least number which must be subtracted, the least number is, first we write the least number 9, and if therefore 2509 minus 9, which is equal to 2500, so under root of 2500 is equal to 50. Clear? एक और बार, one more time I will explain this because it's a division fact. This is a division fact. Whenever we divide 21, whenever we divide 21 by 2, we can check कि 2 1 से 2 तो हो गया, but the 1 is over, 1 is there. लेकिन if the first number is completely divisible, completely divided, then we can use 0 for the next. If it is less than, if it is less than the divisor, so we use 0. Same here, here is 10 and here is 0 9 means 9, and first number is completely divided by 5 5 is 25 like this, and this the next number is less than the divisor, so we use 0. याद रखना इस चीज को सभी को. Clear? And the question number 14. Question number 14 is the same. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 7581 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. तो वो हम कर सकते हैं. Exactly same question. हाँ, ये लिख दिया मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 3E. How much time is left? 12:50. ओवर. तो फिर ये कट जाएगा, रुको फिर छोड़ देते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, question number 16 and 17 from the exercise 3D, and 1 to 12, and question number 14 is from the exercise 3E. Wait a moment. Wait.